Yes. Are you comfortable with the language Hindi or English? Both ना? Okay. तो आप मुझे बताइए why are you here right now? आपने कुछ बताया था प्लीज आपके टीचर्स ने कि यहाँ क्यों आना है ऐसा कुछ? Yes or no? क्या बताया था? Okay, talking about the careers. Okay. So ठीक है, for 11th class we can understand. But is it कि for 8th class कुछ जल्दी नहीं हो गया? अगर मैं टीचर से बात करूं, शायद हमारे टाइम में किसी ने सोचा था 8th 9th में ये सब डिस्कस किया था किसी ने, शायद 12th में भी नहीं किया होगा. बट अभी the things are changed, the scenario is changed. So how the things and scenario gonna change and how to tackle that thing? तो उसको हम देखने के लिए and we'll see. So the parts will be little bit different. This is a mirror. कौन सा mirror? Plane or spherical? It's a plane mirror, and this is a lens. Now the thing is, the mirror does which part? Reflection or diffraction? Reflection. Mirror में क्या होता है? Reflection. और lens reflection. Okay. So bend the light either away from the normal or towards. It depends on the side of reflection. Now, Abhi will show this activity, and I can guarantee throughout your life you will never forget what is converging, diverging, and the lens concept. Because it's not virtual, it's actually the rays. हम बोलते हैं ना, light rays are going. तो क्या होती है light rays? Now we'll see this. So can you see this light rays? Yes or no? Okay. Now can you see the light rays? Now is there just come closer? Is there any diversion in the light pathways? No. Why? Yeah, because there is no obstruction at all. Now, if we put a mirror, so what will happen actually? Reflect, na? Now we'll see reflection होता क्या है? हम बस just will imagine the things कि उस surface पे गई, then it comes back. Now actually you will see how it comes back. दिख रही है? Can you see this? How it is coming back? Yes or no? This is called reflection. अब बोलोगे कभी? No? Can you see the reflection? Yeah. Since it is a plane mirror, so the reflection is also without any convergence or divergence. Now we'll see with the help of a lens. Now what is this? Concave. It is converging or diverging? Let's see this. Now tell me. These light rays after the refraction they are coming towards the normal or away from the normal? Away from the normal. That means it is a diverging. Clear? Now what is this? Convex. It is converging or diverging? Let's see. Now you see lights are converging towards the or a particular point. They are focusing. So they all are coming to a particular point. So this is called a converging lens. Is it clear? Okay. Now with the same concept, इसमें एक टॉपिक और था आपका ह्यूमन आई, राइट? इसमें आपके मायोपिया और हाइपरमेट्रिक, दे आर डिफेक्ट्स. सो क्या होता है मायोपिया में? हु कैन एक्सप्लेन मायोपिया? When near sighted means we can see the but we cannot see the far. Okay. So उसमें होता क्या है? What happens actually in that case?
The image forms before the retina.
Before the retina, but होनी कहाँ चाहिए?
पीछे
On the retina. In the side is normal. Okay. So if you see, this is a human lens, the natural lens we have. That is, we have a convex lens naturally. So let's suppose this is a human eye, and this is a lens. And now, as you said, in myopia, आगे बनती है, but होनी चाहिए, it should be on the. But now you see where it is converging. Is it visible to everyone? It is converging before the retina. But ऐसा तो होगा नहीं. We have to correct this ना. तो कैसे करेक्ट करते हैं?
With a concave lens.
Concave lens. अब लेट्स सपोज आपकी आंखों के आगे क्या लग गया, कॉनकेव लेंस. If you see now, if you slightly adjust little bit, if you see now the converging point is on the retina. So this is the correction of a myopia. If I remove this, see it's meeting before the retina. But if you use this on the retina, so this is the correction of myopia. Same in the case of hypermetropia. Hypermetropia में क्या होता है? It's converging behind the myopia. But okay. So in that case, for the correction we use convex. So if we use convex, so it will diverge and the image will form on the. So this is how it works. अब बोलोगे कभी